The Alpha Media Holdings senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga has revealed that three individuals armed with pistols visited his office on Monday morning searching for him. Pashata vakomana sanavina mashoko anoonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa Blessed Mhlanga anozivikanwa kuti aiwa cover up journalist anointerview vakomana mamovhitenzo anaBlessed Geza uye achitsvaka kuona vakomana vane mapistols amene anoti intention yavo yange iri yei. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panapa toona kuti aiwa is now not safe. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa mlanyana chiti Mhlanga, who was not at the office at the time, also received a call from the ZRP Law and Order section inviting him to discuss an undisclosed matter he posted on X. It's not a laughing matter at all. 3 persons armed with pistol came to my office this morning looking for me. They did not say why they needed me. Then minutes later, I got a call inviting me to Law and Order. I will be presenting myself to the police with my lawyers tomorrow. Earlier this month, Mhlanga was summoned to Harare Central Police Station by the ZRP Law and Order section. Concerned about the police's intentions, Mhlanga attended the station accompanied by MISA, Zimbabwe's external legal counsel. The summons followed Mhlanga's interview with the Zambia Central Committee member and the war veteran Blessed Geza, who had been making critical remarks about President Mnangagwa. In the interview, Geza accused Mnangagwa of corruption, nepotism, tribalism, and failing to address the country's economic challenges, while calling for his resignation. On Saturday, HSTV, part of the Alpha Media House Group and run by Mhlanga, posted a statement on X quoting Geza is saying that he was safe, not arrested, nor in hiding. Ndomashwa tukaona panapa Blessed Mhlanga panguva ino asisiri safe, aiwa panguva ino akutorichikira pamwe chete aiwa nekuziva kuti aiwa iye akasano atenda aiwa masections anenge achiedzwa nevakomana vemapurisa aya anoisa life yake at risk. Now atora masvika achiti aiwa is going with his lawyer aiwa today vakomana achitonza kuti vanga vachidei. Tudze mafunzo enyu matodi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.